Hi, this is iPhone 15 Pro Max. First things first, let's know about the size and the weight of this mobile. The 15 Pro Max weighs around 221 grams or 7.81 ounces and stands at a height of 6.29 inches. Talking about the width, it's 3.02 inches and has a depth of 0.32 inches. When we talk about iPhones, especially the Pro Max models, we're very excited about the display. This mobile features a Super Retina XDR all-screen OLED display with 2796 x 1290 pixel resolution at 460 ppi. The display of this mobile has rounded corners. This follows a beautiful curved design, and these corners are within a standard rectangle. So when this mobile is measured as a standard rectangular shape, the diagonal length of the screen is 17 centimeters. And now I'm very excited to tell you about the different variants this mobile is available in. This mobile is available in different colors like black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, and natural blue titanium. And talking about the storage, well, it's a big constraint for many of us when we want to record videos in 4K and want to export it, so it's going to take double that storage. So, in my opinion, Apple's done a great thing here. The base variant of the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts with 256GB of storage, which is a great deal, but there's a catch. The price of the base variant starts from $1,000. And now let's look at what's new on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We have a dynamic island, always on display, ProMotion technology with adaptive refresh rates up to 120Hz, which is a great deal. HDR display, True Tone, White Color P3, Haptic Touch, 2:1 contrast ratio, and 1000 nits of max brightness, 1600 nits peak brightness in HDR, and 2000 nits peak brightness outdoor. And there is also a fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating. So as mentioned before, when you want to record, you may want to record in dust and water. You want to record a video splashing water on your camera to show you're sprinkling some water. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is rated IP68 with maximum depth of 6 meters up to 30 minutes. We're talking about the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the latest phone, the latest model, and the highest variant of that model. This mobile features an A17 Pro chip. This mobile features 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores, new 6-core GPU, and new 16-core neural engine. This mobile features the Face ID. We get iOS 17 out of the box. So this brings us to the camera. The Pro Max has a Pro camera system with 48 megapixel main camera featuring image stabilization, 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 12 megapixel telephoto lens, 2x, and 12 megapixel telephoto with 5x. So we get some of the features in the camera like night mode, panorama, smart HDR5, deep fusion, sapphire crystal lens cover, Apple Pro RAW, macro photography, and burst mode. Coming to the video recording, we can record 4K videos at 24, 25, 30, and 60 FPS, 1080p HD video at 25, 30, and 60 FPS, 720p and 30 FPS. We also have the cinematic mode up to 4K HDR at 30 FPS, action mode up to 2.8K at 60 FPS. Also, there is support for Dolby Vision, and there is ProRes, log video recording, macro video recording, slow motion video support for 1080p at 120 and 240 FPS, time-lapse video recording with stabilization, night mode time-lapse, quick take video, and last but not least, there is a provision for stereo recording. So these were some of the key features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let me know in the comments section which one was your favorite one. If you have liked this video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel for future tech videos. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time.